No, the illuminations aren't on. But it's still pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very colourful down here.
Shame the illuminations aren't on.
What illuminations?
All these lights above your head, Ray. It's beautiful here for Blackpool illuminations. They come on normally in October, but sometimes they put them on earlier in the year for like a short period of time, and then they turn them off again, and they put them back in again. Revolution. We used to have one of them years ago. What are you trying to do, Ray?
Well, I just found the caravan park.
Have you found it? Have you?
Yeah, it's right.
Oh,
Look at it down here though.
Where's the tower?
It's there.
okay. There! Oh my god, Rain. We're right underneath it.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Even with those lights.
Oh, they've still got them there.
Yeah, look, they're lit up.
Aussie!
Oh, it is lit up down here though. Okay.
Yeah.
It's just not lit up on the rest of it.
Lost
You heard me. You heard you.
In 200 yards, turn left.
No.
Chapel
No,
Street.
fuck off. What did it say? Chapel Street. Oh, Chapel Street.
How is everybody just casually walking the street?
Because they're walking. Look at this guy. He stopped now. He was clicking his fingers.
Glow in the dark mini golf.
No, thank you. Okay.
Look at that.
I'm recording it. I didn't realise. I'm going to save it for when we get home.
That's really pretty.
Oh, my nail is really sharp.
Yeah.
Sort it out when we get back to the caravan. I've
Yeah,
already
pulled
said.
it off.
You've got the sharp bit, I meant.
Yeah, Leon pulled the bit that was hanging off it and it hurt. I had to stop and carry it on. It hurt.
We've been on that one, haven't we? Or is it the North Pier we've been on?
That one was. No, that one was open. Nothing.
No,
that,
it is this one.
no, I think that one was closed last time we came up because
we
it's all
went
arcades.
on that one. We swore we went on that. Yeah, we did.
Alright.
Because we went on it and there was loads of people and it was really crowded.
Turn left.
No.
No, hold on.
In 100 yards, turn left.
Shut up.
Then, turn left.
Shut up.
Oh wow!
This is beautiful.
See, we wouldn't still be here this time of
Turn
night on
left.
Thursday.
No.
Wow, look how pretty it is.
In 200 yards, at the fork, bear left.
Oh,
Wooden Road.
I ate my subway today.
yeah,
It was really nice.
good.
It was like the perfect amount of everything.
Bear left.
Good. Isn't that the pub we went in last time?
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Yeah, it is. That's the pub. They did lovely food and then
In
staff were
150
really
yards,
nice.
turn left.
That one girl
Trafalgar
was
Road.
that one girl was really bad.
Yes. So
Turn
pretty.
left.
That's what happens when you
In
ignore
90
yourself.
yards, turn left.
Shut up.
Wellington Road. Turn left. In 150 yards, turn left. Crystal Road.
Shut up. Turn it off for a minute.
Apparently Keisha's being asked if she's in people's lessons but she can't find her timetable. asking us if we can find if there's any chance we can see if we can find ours and let her know. They don't normally do timetables this early, do they?
No, not normally. Oh wow, look at these.
Oh mum,
City.
after we got on the train the first time, and Peter had been awake a while, they were started feeding him, like, oh, he's taking it. I'm like, yeah, that's because you let him wake up properly.